Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the more connections. Here you'll see the first section, that will be the NFC section. Now just click here. Now you can see that the NFC is activated. Just to turn it off, click here once on the switcher, and to activate the NFC, tap on the switcher once again here. And we can change here the default app. For example, we can change here the default app because we got only Google Pay. So if you want to use another application to pay, you should just install this application. And also we got the second way how we can activate or turn off the NFC. Just open the notification panel here, and somewhere on the top bar you should find the NFC icon. But if you have no the NFC icon, like in my case, you should click here on the edit icon, and here in this down section was not visible icons, you will find the NFC. Just hold for a while and drag this icon to add the NFC to our top bar, then click to done. And now just by tap once you can turn off the NFC, and just to tap again on the NFC icon you can turn it on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.